What's up, guys? This is Strider Prime bringing you a special edition of Bandai Models, and today I am going to review this. The high-grade Bracer Phoenix set metallic version from the Pacific Rim Uprising movie coming this month. Wow, I just got this in a day ago. I was approached by a group of people who represent the website known as Geekjack, and they asked me if I would love to review this kit for them. And I said, yeah, I would not mind reviewing a Pacific Rim kit. I was surprised that, they reached out to me and they asked me to do this for them. And I said, wholeheartedly, yes. I just did not know when or how, but I soon got an email saying, hey, we just shipped it, and I was like, oh my god, it's coming. And I was actually under the distinct impression that this model kit was going to come just maybe a week or so before the release of the movie. But clearly, I'm seeing that sites like Hobby Japan is already selling the model kits at a reasonable price. But what's so unique about this from Geekjack.com? Sorry, geekjack.net. My apologies. Also here, www.geekjack.net, is the fact that these are exclusive to their store, metallic versions. I got a metallic version of this high-grade kit. Now, they said they were going to send me a kit. I did not know what they were going to send me. So when they sent me this, I said, cool, I don't mind, I know that my good friend Prime92 got the Obsidian Fury. So when she told me that, I said, I can't wait to get mine. And then I got mine that same day, and I said, cool. Obviously, I'm putting the Perfect Grade XE on hold for now, but we're going to review this kit. And just to give you guys a little heads up, if you guys want to purchase this kit, the metallic version, you can go to their site on the link that I'm providing to the main site, and then the individual link for the kit if you want to order it. It is $33 US. You can get the Bracer Phoenix set metallic version for that price. For $37, you can get the Gypsy Avenger DX version, which I believe comes with an LED light set. The Obsidian Fury is also $33, and if you want the complete package, it's $103. Still a good deal, especially metallic, and now for the upcoming movie, which everybody's very, very anxious to see, like me. Before we open this up, what kind of robot is this? Well, apparently this is, as I'm reading the Pacific Rim wiki, the Mark V Brute that can still run with the Mark VI Bracer Phoenix shoots. I don't know what that means. Bracer Phoenix shoots from the chest with a centrifugal vortex cannon that is as spectacular as it is deadly. That's what I'm reading from this. Of course, it is a height of 232 feet. A weight of 2,128 tons. That's basically all the specs. It is in English because there is English text. This band, they pretty much all Bandai kits will have English text, so that'll be you can read it to your leisure. There's no price tag on this like the yen, but like I said, it's 33 bucks, not bad. And what's cool about it, it comes with a custom stand. But yeah, I mean, the color on this obviously is this weird brownish tone, but that's because of the fact that it's a special edition type kit. If this was the normal kit, it would probably be a different, more colorful look to the kit that you see here. But I love the design and all that stuff. All right, let's open this up. Yes. Oh. Nice manual. Very, very chic. Ooh. We'll look at that in a moment. Alright, so we have the custom base stand, and I see a sticker here. Clearly it's stickered, so I'm using the stickers on this. We gotta use them all. We have the poly caps, JTP2. And wow, that's a lot of detail on the stickers. Here are the, what is it, what plate is this? This is the C plate. I believe it could be arms and legs. I see some hands here. That's nice. And then we have the, I believe that could be the chest plate right there. There's that plate right there. You see a nice coating sheen on it, metallic look to it, and that's really nice how it is. Yeah. And there's the yellow part. This is the A. I'm assuming this is the A plate. Yeah, it is the A plate. And here's some more detail parts right there. I wasn't expecting the metallic version. I was actually expecting when I get this, I want to paint it and all that stuff, but hell, it's cool. And I see a separate sheet for the, I guess, for the stand. We'll review that in a minute. Let's just put this in there. I'm kind of excited though. This is actually my first time getting, sponsored like that, being asked, so I'm trying to do it justice. There we go. So we have the sheet here on how to assemble the stand. It's basically like the stands that we've seen on like basic Gundam model kits, but this one has a section here which can pivot. Plus, you don't have to put the stand in the middle. It could be on the side or here. That's pretty basic. Then we have the standard modeling instructions. Preparation and all that stuff, the nippers, how to cut them off, how to sand them, how to place them, placement of the stickers, all that fun little stuff that we all model builders love to work with. Oh good, there it is. The Mark V Brute that can still run with the I'm assuming the Mark VI. Bracer Phoenix shoots from the chest with a centrifugal vortex railgun that is as spectacular as it is deadly. Alright. I see a lot of parts here that's going to be used other than 2 from the poly caps, which is no big deal. And, of course, proper snipping etiquette on how to remove parts from the tree. It's good. And we always start from here, so we have the assembly of the chest, then this little head, followed by a waist unit right there, then the right arm, the left arm, followed by right and left legs and feet. Then connecting it all together. The vortex railgun assembly. Clearly, I think if I'm looking at this correctly, that's actually really nice. It's also in color, so you know where the placement of all this stuff is. That's nice. This is the railgun. Looks like a parts forming weapon where you can remove it. Oh, and it can be easily, you can pop it out and in. So you could have it covered or you can have it exposed. Clearly it's because of its size and scale. Oh, that's right. You also get this little mech called the Scrapper. Because if I remember the trailer, the pilot, which is a female pilot, pilots this little mech right here. Or this Jaeger, mini Jaeger you could say. And all the placements of the stickers where to put them on, which is not bad. I kind of like that. Yeah. Now, let's just make sure we all understand that this is not a high grade in terms of a Gundam kit. It's not 1/44 scale. I have the scale right. I see the actual height of how it is in feet. So we'll do the math later on and really what the real scale is on this kit. So yeah, this is going to be really fun to build. So I'd like to thank Geekjack for sending me this kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video build. Let's start building high-grade Bracer Phoenix. Okay, so first up what we're going to do is assemble the chest and the head of the Bracer Phoenix. And we did a little prep here. We have this little part that came with this little poly cap that I set in there. And with this part, you feed the part to there, like so. It comes out like there. And we have this poly cap. And I'm sorry, I'm referring to as poly caps, but they're more plastic. They're much more stronger. They don't have that rubbery feel to it. But with this, you put that, and I'm looking at the instructions like this. So it goes in like that. Then, of course, these are common parts that we've seen in high grades. Put one here, and put one here. So it's in an angle like that. And close it up like so. Seals it nice and tight. Then we have these two little rocket launcher type setups, and if I'm looking at this in the correct angle, I think that one goes like this. I don't know if it's rocket launchers or maybe turbines or exhausts, but it's supposed to look like this. Yeah, there's an example, so it does show like that. Then we have this part here. Goes in like this. This one in here goes in like that. There we go. We have this little part here that in this position goes in like this. Then we have this that goes there. This is like a layer of armor that goes like that here, and one goes right there. Then we have this part that goes right on top, like so. It's pretty cool. Then we have these two parts. One goes here. Oops, nope, the other way. There we go. So, no. Does it look like that? Let me see. So if I'm looking at the front like that, then I look at this part. Oh yeah. So yeah, I did it right. So one notch goes there, the other one goes there. Then we have these two little parts. There are these two little notches in the bottom that has to be in the bottom. Let me put that through here. One goes through there, and the other one goes through here. If I can get it in there. This thing is really small. There we go. So it looks like that. That completes the torso in this section. Then for this, we have these two parts for the head. That one goes here. Where is it? Yep, that goes there. And the other one goes there. It's a weird setup, but oop, no, the other one was wrong. It looked like I did it right. There we go. So that goes like that. Okay. And then with this, we have the only metallic yellow part that will represent the head, or the I guess the visor. And then that goes in like that. And then the head goes there. That's kind of cool. Nice. I said exhaust. Actually, I had to, wait a minute. That's wrong. It's supposed to go the other way around. Oops. Let's move this around a bit. Yeah. It kind of cool, look cool either, but fine. There we go. Now that looks good. Now that looks very nice. Look at that. Cool. Nice. Alright. Think that's kind of nice. Let's now move on to the next part of the build. Okay, so the next part is going to be the waist unit of the Bracer Phoenix. We're going to need this part in this position. We have this part, and again, since this is a unique part, make sure that this section is like this. So we can get it in there. There we go. And just seal that up, like so. Then we have this little part here that goes under here. Oops, it's in the reverse. There we go, like that. And then we take this part here. Wait a minute. Oh, it goes under. Whoops. Alright, there's a guide there. So just guide it like that. And guide that like here. There we go. Alright, so that part is complete. Then you take this and this. Well, you take this first, and then you take this part. I'm assuming this is to connect the legs. Squeeze it in through there. And then put these two together like so. Then we take this, put that here. And then this one goes like that. And then you finally take these two parts and put like this. Alright, this is actually really nice. Check that out. Good detail though. Alright, so that completes the waist unit. Let's now move on to the next part of the build.